So I'm going to mix up 2 shades of green using this beautiful sage colour. So I'm adding sage to the white to create that lovely soft colour, and I've just left the other part just the pure colour from the packet. And now I'm using the Feather Silicone Mould just to press the clay in and to see that beautiful shape that gets produced, all that beautiful detail. I'm doing the same with the light green in the smaller size as well. I created 3 pairs of earrings. This was the first one. This time I've used the darker green on the top, and this time on the second pair I've used the lighter green on the top, and I've added some three-dimensional detail by baking the clay already sort of curved into a shape. And the final pair I made is just the larger feather size in the darker sage green.